Hello, everyone. Everyone will come back to you today. Sad, but today I will have a gift for everyone. Today I will share how can we build pages. 1 million fan page views. You don't have to be a content creator. Millet. Do you see pages like this? If you guys, it's up to everyone. If we're doing things related to this part. Here we are. This is a fan page of the people. It's a lot, and people have a lot of videos. Here we have a lot of videos. Then today, I'll show you a piece of software that supports people. Maybe how to copy the videos, people's back to us, repost on the My page. And we're going to build a content pipeline like they're doing it, and now it's simple. Facebook's traffic is free. What if we want to build pages? But in the same industry, we'll look for. I will take this page as one. Be an example of this. First, I will use this software. This is 𝐓𝐞𝐥𝐿 software, the viral side. This software will support anyone can scan and download this video. For example, here we're going to scan the video. Well, here we have parts like a Facebook this, YouTube this. TikTok is the win for Insta. Are the ones. In the real video format, we're going to download that real video. Next, we can do video editing. In this edit, it will give us some effects, or we can add that logo. Turn those things. Someone else's video is my own. Next, it could be posting. Here we can post. Up on platforms as posting. Save this Facebook. Post this YouTube. This TikTok is Insta, and people pay attention to each one. Platform. This social network will have different properties. Then we're going to give the kids accounts of this Facebook, of this YouTube, of this TikTok. Today I will guide everyone. You can build a fan page. There are other features. I will guide you later. So now we're going to go into the software. Here's how we're going to do it. I will guide everyone. First, we're going to get a nick. Nick's Facebook account is here. This account, this password, and here are its 2 FS. Then I will take. This is like any other software. So that we will, first we'll add this category. We'll add a list. Next, we will click on Add this account. If we add an account, we will paste the nick. Ours is here. And then choose these categories 1 or 2. Choose this platform. First, its ID. This password and 2-layer security. If you take a nick, you just have to. It's as simple as this. And then we press this spinning button. And we will choose. The one we entered is category 1. Next, we will have to log in. The Facebook account was to check this nick, it has the right account. And password or not to run auto later. It's not everyone's fault. You need to log into nick. Millet nick. This login has been successful, folks. Nick has successfully logged in. So now we're going to go to the section that scans and downloads the video. Before downloading the video, then we have to choose the previous platform we're doing on with Facebook. Now the number of video scans. So we're going to leave this 100 for example. Then we'll enter the channel here. We'll take this whole page link. Take the whole link. People click on the letter of the article. This is the standard link. Then we'll paste it here. Put it here now. I will use this account. I will load this account here. Click here. Click on this button and it will appear. Now I just need to press the start button. It points directly to this page always lets it take videos. Here, this video link will appear. The link. This video is going to be in the API, the source of the page. Then it will get it. These links. This link will be used later. This channel is a bit of a real video. Mill it. In order to get it, we will have to export the file. This link out here, I will bring it out to the top. Now I'm going to create a TXT file. Then we'll choose this. We have pasted it successfully. Took out. Okay, now we're going to go to the download. This video, I'll get the video link here. That's the link you just took out. Here is the link. Just click open, everyone. It's automatically pushed here. Then, next, well, here we will select the folder. If we select the folder, we will save it to a drive. Any. Here we can make a video of this. In this video download, we will select this whole folder. Then here we will have a total of 16 videos. Then here we can beat a 10 or 20 lines is also possible. Here to download it quickly, now everyone. Just press start. It will run continuously and it will load as max 10 lines. And the speed is also very fast, people. Normal video because it's a short video. One more thing that people note is download speed of the video. This will depend on the speed of the network. Everyone else. It's not that it's just running. That's when it's successful. It immediately opens a stream. Always let it load, give it fast. Okay, we have downloaded it successfully. We've downloaded all 16 videos that we took out. I'll check it now. Here I will check this. Download this video here, all the videos. It's on people's channels. These are videos. You see, these videos are long. About 3 minutes, so the loading speed is a little slow, people. Tell him why. It loads slowly. Here's all these 3-minute videos that look like this. Then sure it takes a long time to load. That's all video over these 3 minutes. Mill it. This is a channel that's been built by millions. I have followed it. What is the reason that we just upload their videos again? Here are these videos. That's it. This person's video is pretty small. They've built fan pages. It's like this. These videos are there. I will try to upload it today. On the very fan page that the children accounts that we already have, let us build always. This software will help us to post. I already have an account here. Now I'm first. We're going to have to run that part. List. We need to scan the page of this profile first. We're going to run this. We click on tick to select this account. And then select this feature and then press the start button. After the run is over, we will click on this page profile. The profile page load page we have 2 more pages. I will try to post it on 2 pages. This is always everyone. Then here I will. We're going to configure this. Here we will. Select the video folder. We will select. This video has been downloaded. Then it will read out. And then we'll have this descriptive title. Here enter this title. Here, now I will. Select this title description file. I will create a new file. And then in here we're going to create this title. For example, this is the title file. But the day. After posting the video below, we will select the file description. In a description like this, here we are. We're going to have to create. We're going to create this description file. Here's this description. For each description, we should 1 line apart. If we touch it like that, we'll save this. Save it and later we will lead. When posting a video, then the configuration in this, then we will lead this. Here, configuration, we're going to take this description file, this description. We're going to bring this description file here. Then, let's say we sing Tang. Like singing this Tang, we usually add this to the end of the song. We shouldn't add it to the head. Then we'll save this. And then if people want to interact with the video, for example, release video after releasing Tim. I like the video. After he posted it, it was a waste of time because it has to. Because when it's posted on Facebook, it has to wait. Facebook has finished. That video can be liked. It just showed up so people ignored it. This part will be faster. If people do that much, then people skip this step. Then I deleted the video off the machine when we successfully posted this. Well, if that allowed duplicate, then we'll skip this. We don't fit in. Let the pages we build. That doesn't overlap. Because I went to get someone else's paper, and now I'm back. Let it stutter again. It's very difficult to get that view. Then we're not going to check this box. Then we'll post a video. Distance between 2 video posts. Let's relax a little. The video is it. Here's 30. Let's put 20 for example. Here is the page. This posting error, oh wait up video. Everybody, let's get a little longer. A video. I just saw a bit. More than 3 minutes I just finished. The video is very long. I think I'll fix it here. I will choose the video. I will choose another one because I already have one. This video. I have a video here. It's a short video. Then I'll post it more. So now we're going to press this start button. People note that these two pages are in one via. When it runs one by one. Because SAO is us, the number of streams, it's just one, not two pages. It opens at the same time, no, but it's a nick. It can only open once. If people leave a lot, I have a Facebook account here and it's a lot of pages. It's going to be the number of streams, so it's equivalent to the number of streams. Hey guys, we've got a video. It's about cooking. It's on this Facebook. That's what it's all about. For everyone, it's too much. Next, it will automatically push to pages. Next and... Do you see this software? It's too magical. There is this software outside of Facebook. You can also download this TikTok, this YouTube, but that. We want to build pages. And we're building pages with millions of views. The content here is unlimited. Too many content sources, and so many channels have been built. We just need to bring it back and we turn it around. People's own ant. I hope everyone can build an effective page. Here it's stopping, prepare it to change to another page. Then it's just slowly posting. And everyone noticed a page. Then we will post regularly. Post 1 to 2 videos a day. We don't need too much spam. I wish everyone success.